What's up guys, today we're just going to be showing you how to use all the tool in Google Docs just to help you on how to like use all the tools on Google Docs. So here we go. So just right now I'm just going to create a blank document up here. Right, we're on a new blank document, and now first things first, as all the tools for writing, you go up here on tools, and and here are all the tools basically. So you you can turn on word count if you click on it, up tools, and then you come on here, and then it just says pages 1, word 0, characters 0, characters including spaces 0. And you can to make like while you're like, I guess, story writing, you can and you want like the word to show up at the bottom of the screen, you just click here, display word count while typing, click it and then click OK. And down here we have, hope you can see it, where my cursor is, right here you can see the word count. So let's say if I go like let's say like that, and then like I just wrote hi YouTube, and now it says it's 2 words. So and then you click on it and it just tells you the information. So that's how to use the words tool right there. The next tool I'm going to be using is the speller and grammar tool. So basically, if you just want to check that you're correct and that you're correct with your punctuation and writing, and you click on this, and then spelling grammar check, Control Alt X, or you can just click on it. Boom, there you go, and it will say if there's any grammar checks, but the document looks good, and there you go. That's so that's the spelling and grammar one. Now we have I think we have now dictionary. So basically, okay, so I didn't actually know this with Google Docs, but you can actually use a dictionary for all the words on your document, which is kind of clever. So you want to go onto tools again and go onto click on dictionary on this corner here. It will show you a dictionary of the words you have. So it says like YouTube as a word, it just says it's a verb, and it just says the meaning of it, which is actually pretty interesting. I didn't know you could do that, and I don't know what most of these tools are, so I'm just gonna try and see. Let's compare documents. Hold on. So that is just not really a tool, it's just to compare your documents with others. View suggested, so there's no suggestions for edit writing or anything, like you don't need to do any of that. Just there's no suggestions for anything. You don't really need to do like linked objects or anything like that. It's just if you want to, I don't know really. I'm just seeing all these tools. So actually we got another tab here. This is if you go on tools, go on to explore. Now it will show you and don't know what happened there actually. Anyways, that's that. And then actually, hold on, it just went weird for a second, so go back onto explore. Let's go on to YouTube because it showed up with the word. Alright, here you go. The web, it will show images of it right here, and it will show just the drive of it. So you can explore different documents, and I just deleted the words. You can explore different documents about it, and you can just do we want. So that's the tools on this tools tab here. It has a dictionary, it has an explore tab for more information, and you got a voice typing tool, I guess if you want to, you click the speak here, and if you're talking it out, you can do that. Preferences, just about automatically detect links, and this is just all the writing preferences. So click OK, and you can just change that. So we're done with the tool bar here, and then if you actually go over to here, we have another tool which is over here. If you click on this pen, it will pop up with this screen right here. So it says editing, suggesting, viewing. So if you're sharing this to people, that you can get suggestions. From people can comment on here and read or print final documents. So yeah, that's basically, I think that's all the tools, I guess, on Google Docs. I don't think I've missed, like, I think that there could be other tools, but I can't find any other tools, so I think that's just me. Oh, actually, okay, sorry guys, there's another tool right here. So on here, there's this, if you can see, there's a ruler up here, and you're wondering what it does. It basically moves the margin for you. So instead of clicking on here, if you want to just make it perfect, you can click on the ruler and then drag it where this blue line is, and you want it to be in the middle here, and there you go, it's right in the middle. Just like slide it across a bit if you want, I guess. There you go. Now it's changed and differed in the margin. So that's pretty cool. That's also another tool to show you. If another tool is also if you want to insert a link, obviously just you can just say like link to YouTube or something, and then you can, this is my channel here. And by the way, thank you for all the subscribers, I appreciate it. And then we go on to paste, apply, there you go. Now when people go on it, click on here, there you go, and you can, I guess now you can, it just leads you to your YouTube channel basically. So that's how you do that. I'm just gonna name the document so I don't forget it. So that's just explaining all the tools, like really quick, just explain all the tools. You can also click on here, hides the menus, and there you go. It's just easier to add, I guess. But I guess that's it for today's video. So it's just like the bold colors here, shortcuts there, and everything else. I don't think I've missed any other tools. I know there's like split page tools. I might do that in another video, but that's it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're new here for more tutorial and just gaming videos in general, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.